Our friends at Pantene encourage women to embrace their inner light because when you feel strong on the inside, you shine on the outside.
I'm 21 and I own my own media company.
Took me 30 years to get my degree.
I own 2 healthcare businesses.
Throughout O-Town, you told us how you shine strong by unapologetically living the life you want.
Sorry, not sorry. I'm loud, funny, and the life of the party.
Sorry, not sorry, that I'm self-motivated to live my dreams.
Sorry, not sorry, I stand up for what I believe in.
Never dim your light. Shine brightly. Shine strong.
I shine strong.
I shine strong.
We shine strong!
I shine strong.
Thanks, Pantene.